Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're going to build a farm diorama. We have a farm tube, a dog tube, and a horse tube. We'll add all of these animals to our farm diorama. Here we have a tray with our little barn here and some grass. Let's go ahead and add some play dirt to our diorama, as well as a pond. The water in our pond today is Crazy Aaron's Falling Water Liquid Glass Putty. So we'll set our water to the side for now while we fill up our tray with play dirt. Look at this fun play dirt. It's a lot like kinetic sand, but it has a slightly different texture and it looks like dirt. So we're going to put some dirt on our farm. Farms need dirt to grow vegetables in and pasture grass for the animals. So I'm going to go ahead and spread out all of this dirt. Our dirt is all spread out. Let's bring back in our grass and our pond. We'll also add some fencing here for the animals. And let's add some trees and plants. Our farm diorama is ready for our animals. Let's go ahead and start with our farm animals. Here is our farm tube full of wonderful farm animals. And look, there's a dog on the top. Our first animal is a cat. Cats are very helpful to farmers. They watch out for mice getting into the food for the animals in the barn. We'll put the cat up in the barn loft. Here we have a goat. Look at this cute goat. We'll put him down here by the plants. This set also came with some trees. We'll put that back here by the pond. Here we have a chicken. Looks like this chicken is hunting for seeds. We'll put it down there on the grass. We also have a bright red rooster here. Roosters wake everyone up on the farm with their loud cock-a-doodle-doo every morning. We'll put the rooster up in the loft with the cat. Here we have a horse. We'll put this horse out on the pasture. And we have a duck for our pond. Look at this pretty blue duck. This will be perfect for our pond. Here we have another kind of goat. Put that down with the other goat. And we have a cute little rabbit that can go back by the grass. Hopefully it doesn't eat the vegetables in the garden patch. Here we have a dog. Dogs are so helpful to farmers. They keep them company and they help them with the other animals. We'll put the dog right here. And here we have a sheep. Sheep love to graze on grass. We'll put this sheep here on the grass. And we have two cows. Cows also graze on the grass. And here's a little calf, a little baby cow. We'll put it next to its mother. So those are some of the farm animals. Let's go ahead now and add more horses to our farm. Look at this tube full of different horses, as well as the horse head on the top of our tube. The horse tube also came with more plants. We'll put it back here by our pond. Now let's add in a bunch of different horses to our farm scene. We'll put some grazing out in the pasture and some here in the arena. Look at this beautiful tan horse. Put that one right down here. Here we have a black and white horse. That one looks a lot like our cows, our black and white cows, but this is a horse. Put that one right down there. Here we have a beautiful spotted horse, white with brown spots. And look at the big hooves. Put that one down here as well. Here we have a beautiful gray horse. Put that one out in the pasture. And we have this horse here, a dark brown horse. Put that one back in the barn. And here we have a donkey. This is not a horse, this is a donkey. We'll put the donkey right over here. And another donkey. Here's another beautiful gray horse. Look at that. We'll put that one also back in the barn with our dark brown horse. Here is another beautiful brown horse. That one, so pretty. I love horses. Here is a white horse with a gray mane and tail. Put this one out in the pasture. And we have another donkey. We'll put it down here with the rest of our donkeys. And a gray horse. This beautiful gray horse. Put it down here in our arena. Lastly, for our farm today, we are going to add some dogs. I love dogs, and I think dogs are very happy when they're on a farm. They definitely help out the farmer. So let's go ahead and look at all of these fun dogs. There are so many different kinds of dogs. Look at this adorable dog. Sort of a grayish brown color with a long shaggy hair, and his cute little tongue is sticking out. I think he's going for a drink of water at the pond. Let's put him down there at the pond to get a drink. And here we have this adorable little brown dog. Put him at the barn. This dog looks really fun. Look at him running around. Perhaps he's running around with the horses. He's got really long legs. Put him down here with some of our horses. This dog looks like a long-haired dachshund. How cute. We'll put this one over by the barn as well. Here we have a white and black dog with long hair. We'll put it down by our white and black horse and our white and black cows. Right here. You can be helping watch our cows and our horses. Here we have another spotted dog, a white dog with black spots. A Dalmatian. We have another Dalmatian down here. We'll put them together. And here we have a very fun dog with brown and white with a black spot on its back. Look at its cute little nose. I think this one is also getting a drink of water at the pond. There we go. And here's another long shaggy dog. Look at that. How cute. We'll put this one back by the tree. Here we have a little small dog. It's white with a brown face. I think this dog will be back by the vegetable garden. And lastly, we have this dog here. Sort of a golden brown color. Look at this dog. It's so cute. We'll put this dog at the barn as well, right in here with our horses. So that is our farm diorama today. Lots of different farm animals, as well as a bunch of horses and dogs. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look. So that was our farm diorama today. I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these farm animals, horses, and dogs. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.